In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scheduled automations in Coda using the time-based trigger. Coda's automations let your docs do work for you on a schedule, whether that's sending a reminder every Monday morning, updating rows overnight, or nudging your team with a push notification. I'll walk you through the exact setup so your rule runs automatically at the frequency and time you choose. First, open your web browser and go to Coda. Sign into your account, then open the doc where you want the automation to live. Automations are configured per doc, so make sure you're inside the correct one before continuing. In the top right corner of the doc, click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, select Automations. This is your control center for creating, editing, and monitoring rules. Click New Rule to start a fresh automation. You'll see a When section and a Then section. In the When section, choose Time-Based. This tells Coda to run the rule on a schedule rather than based on a button press or a row change. Now set the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, and choose the exact time you want it to run. Pick a time that fits your workflow, like just after your data sources sync or before your team starts the day. Pay attention to the time zone shown in your doc's settings so the schedule fires when you expect. And a helpful note, the doc does not need to be open for time-based automations to run. They'll execute in the background. Next, move to the Then section and click Add Action. Here you decide what should happen when the schedule triggers. You can choose actions like modify rows to update data automatically, send email to notify stakeholders, or push notifications to alert doc collaborators. Think about the smallest, most reliable action that meets your goal. For example, emailing a daily summary or flipping a status field at the start of each week. If your action touches other people, confirm they have access to the doc or relevant pages so they can see what you send. Configure the action settings carefully. For modify rows, set the table, filter which rows to change, and define the values to update. For emails or notifications, write a clear subject and message, and consider using tokens or references from your doc to personalize the content. Avoid including any sensitive information. When everything looks right, click Save Rule to activate the scheduled automation. Your rule will run at the next scheduled time. You can always return to automations to rename it, toggle it on or off, or check the activity to confirm it's running as planned. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.